cat?
You're fantastic. Literally a cat.
People fucking hate cats.
So as you're watching this montage of machine guns and suppressors and things blowing up, you might be wondering what the hell I'm doing, and I forgot to explain that earlier. So I'm at the Recce Veteran 8888 shoot put on by Brandy and Eric from IV8888. It's an awesome event they host every year here in Georgia, and it's been a blast, no pun intended, or maybe intended. Either way, guys, back to the action.
Step up, and even if I'm quick, I'm still coming here. Back. See the difference? Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. My pleasure. Thank you. My pleasure. Yeah. Thank you. One, two, three, go.
What was that?
Rachel, you're not doing as hot as we all expected. Come on. Heads up, Rachel. Heads up.
Wait, no cheating over there. All right, we're ringing the bell for lunch.
I think I hit her 3 times.
Woo! Right in the ball.
Nice.
Now you got it.
Oh! Tell me somebody had that on camera.
He literally just stood there and took it like a boss, too.
Didn't even flinch.
Woo!
I'm acknowledging the country women here. I'm giving a little head nod and a straw. Well, I guess I'm gonna go with the original.